Yeah. Good morning, students. Back here with a IoT class. In our last class, we are discussing on barriers and concern of on a IoT means IoT where we are moving from towards from M to M devices to the IoT solutions. So whenever we are thinking on IoT solutions, we have seen that how the barriers and concerns will be there. So what is the concerns and all, how accurate and how relay we can do on a sensors and how we can believe that sensor is giving an accurate data and all. So that is the one particular concern will be there always. And then another one concern is like this, what about a security of the particular device? How to give a security to the devices, and especially in IoT, somebody will hack that particular devices. So that we had discussed, and later on the barrier which we had discussed is that in a larger scale implementation of an IoT solution, what about a cost? So that is a major barrier which we are considering. That we have given an example. In the last class, we have discussed an example of the drip irrigation implementation, especially in India, where farmers' economic conditions also we should take into the considerations, and then how we can make up that particular cost for more than 1 acre of land is there, like 1.5 acre, 2 acres of land is there, how to implement these sensors, and how nodes can be implemented there. So that we had discussed what is a barrier and all we have seen. So coming to the now here, the new thing is we'll see a real-time case study where we'll see the impact of IoT solutions on different areas. The real-time example we'll see, and with the company, worldwide company. Just I'll share that particular document, which you can see there. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So share this right now. You can see this Heotron. So this is a one particular Internet of Things is a company which you can also Google it, and you can get a more information about this particular company. And this is a giant company which is there in automations of machines. So you can see how a machine is going to be automated there. So coming to the things here, you can see Internet of Things is providing to be a game changer for many automation companies. Industrial automation companies utilize IoT solutions can realize the new advantages. The Internet of Things assists to generate new technologies to resolve problems, improve the operations, and enhance productivity. The IoT can be described as a connection of only non-electronic devices using internet data. Plumbing involving the internet protocol IP, which we are going to use, web services and cloud computing also, which we are going to use. Let us see the effect of Internet of Things on industrial automation. Above is just an introduction to IoT that we have seen already. Now you see these are the major things which is affecting the automation process in industries. So first is Internet of Things, then is Internet of Things products, Internet of Things devices, IoT gateway devices, industrial IoT development kits. So these things which will be there in the things. So IoT, we know already what is an IoT. The plays a very important role in industrial automation, and it's being to explore and apply IoT concepts and technologies. So which we have seen for many things. So input or output involving actuators, robotics, analyzers, etc., which you can see. Now the new things for us is Internet of Things products. What is actually this? Internet of Things is the next large technology term, and it is simply internet connected devices that are able to collect data. Many Internet of Things products are good enough smooth into the patterns of daily life by clarifying the routine tasks. IoT products are available in different ways, and they can be utilized in various verticals. Using IoT products, business and consumer lives can be more absolute than ever. Different products will be there. Home automation products, you can take an environmental products like that. Different products will be there. That actually mean. So then Internet of Things devices. So what this is actually, Internet of Things devices can be utilized in a different fields, and they may deviate from home automation and the functionality of your house. IoT devices such as smoke detectors, thermostats, smart music systems, smart light bulbs come under this category. So devices means, so whatever smoke detectors is there and thermostats is there. So this thermostats, it's a very much important things which will be used in a thermal productivities things. So that is also a giant project which will be implemented there. So the smart music system, smart light bulbs. That another side, IoT devices are also present in the association with the human body, also, which we are going to discuss as a case study. Now, IoT gateway devices. So, IoT gateway devices behave as a connection bridge between the IoT sensor network and the cloud sensor. This is the major important thing which you should see. The IoT gateway device behave a connection bridge between IoT sensor network and cloud. Nothing but your Arduino board or your Raspberry Pi or whatever things it is. So that we'll call it as a gateway devices. Now you can see how these gateway devices will work. Coming to next, industrial IoT development kits. This is new for us again. So how this things will be there. Industrial IoT development kits produce a complete high quality design environment for engineers and solution architects to dramatically speed up the growth and delivery of IoT applications using these kits. So whatever kits, any development industrial environment can be rapidly revolved into a production set unit. The IoT development kit targets a variety of IoT applications. You can take here total all kits. You can take it as a Raspberry Pi kit, Arduino kits, whatever is there. That's a thing. So machinery automation. When it comes to the machinery things, which you can see the machineries here, in easy terms, machinery automation has been into reality since more than 70 years. So it's coming out. The concept is to analyze, activate, and control the different machineries in various industries. So it includes the industries such as automobile, textile, agricultural, chemical, food and beverages, cement and other infrastructure evolution, manufacturing, shipping, pharmaceuticals, transportation, and many more. So in all the fields, the machine automation is needed, and that what extent of automation you have to use the IoT there. Now you will see automation begin with the thermostat mechanism, took its journey ahead with a relay logic and became absolute through the digital control systems. Data flow through the network, whatever a LAN, WAN, whatever you are using, internet, whatever you are using, and you are going to store that particular data in a cloud and big data analysis, which you are going to do. That will also help that particular machine. So this is a one major concept which you can see. See, the Internet of Things in machinery automation can be related as a machineries leveraged with embedded systems, bringing a sensors, I/O, and software all combining together, managed through a internet networking. While the predictions is that the IoT could connect around 50 billion devices by 2020. 50 billion industrial devices, machineries will be connected remotely, and that will be taken into the consideration. See, what I am telling now, what I am reading now is a real time, now presently what this particular company is doing. Now, fundamental building blocks of machinery automation with IoT are as follows. You can see what is the fundamental blocks which it will use. Wireless network with idle connectivity must be there. Cloud storage must be there. Operation center must be there. Data processing, so inventive hardware and improved sensor networks. You can see this particular things where including all this we'll call it as an IoT, especially in machinery automations. So cloud is study on a cloud. So cloud storage will also be there, And operation centric will be there, which you have seen where to store data and how, where, in which place the data should be there. And mainly is data processing. So now this is a major field which you can see now, the data analytics or data processing is a major field for your career. And you also know this today, even many IIT and IITBs, means different educational universities, they are announcing master degrees in data science also, which you can see. So that all the things will comes in data science. So inventive hardware and improved sensors, it works. So success calculating criteria of machinery automation with IoT arrangement are as follows. The first one is a security. Performance will be more, efficiency will be very good, scalability and customization, and renewability will be there, intelligence and add values, predictive measurement and analysis, contribution towards ecosystem. So these all things will be improved if you are going to adapt that. So what are the advantages if you make industrial automation using IoT? You can see real-time data can be saved time and money. It's cloud, acquire anywhere, anytime, and it's safer. So you know about a cloud. So develop standardization, minimize downtime, data integration is secure and visibility is higher, and helps to realize your production process better, supply better, increase performance, minimizes the cost, improve efficiency, scale higher. So these are all the advantages will be there when you adapt to this particular thing. Let's see a few examples of machinery automations with IoT that company has done. So water management, which is there, which they have did already in the project. The underground water pipelines are being analyzed using multiple sensors connected with the main during decided interval. Data associated to water quality and leakages are being captured and sent using SCADA system. Then it is transferred between remote devices, database, and control terminals and processes worldwide. So this will be there in almost all smart cities. If you go analyze that, it will be there. And then aircraft smart recognition is there. So for that also, there's a major role of an IoT will be there. Scheduled maintenance activity for a aircrafts is being modified into a regular smart maintenance inspect by using sensors to analyze aircraft parts. So major things will be there on that. Now healthcare and telemedicine. So for that also, with the precious inventions of an embedded healthcare devices and digital medicines, analyzing and diagnosing the patients more systematically is being possible for doctors and healthcare professionals. Data is being shared, processed, monitored, managed, and being further used for a dynamic research. So you know about that particular automated devices. Then beverages quality tracking. So this is also a major role which is there. Temperature and pressure at which beverages are packed and delivered plays an important role. That will be done automatically, means with IoT. And security systems for railways, already this company is working out. Then oil and gas and waste management. This is a major, especially in Sweden's world-class garbage to energy power. This is one of the major research which the Sweden country has did, and today in India we are struggling with this garbage waste. We are having a garbage waste yards due to that lot of problem what we are facing. Now the country sees Sweden like that, they are converting that to an energy, means the power they are converting. The best example that they not only save money by restoring fossil fuel with waste to generate energy. It is producing 100 billion USD annually by importing waste and reselling the waste produced by the other countries. See how beautiful this is. They are importing waste, and we are struggling to track our waste and to throw our waste, where to keep and all. No. So still in India, especially the cities like Bangalore and all, so you can see the real things how it is going on. then how we must be improved there. World's largest plant runs various processes through process control systems, instrumentations, and all. Then you can see textile automations, especially there also this particular company is working. Textile industry depends on a industrial internet for accuracy, quality, and time criticality. So that's will be taken into the consideration, spinning everything. Supply chain management, this is another one very important thing, how a supply chain management will be there, how you are going to do a supply through GPS and radio frequency technologies, means tags, where we can track the accessibility, localization of that particular goods vehicle, where it is going on, or particular delivered item. So that will be very good, which can be done there. So then drones in various industries. This is a new thing which you can see in India. Drones have started showing their importance in various areas. Few segments where drones have initiated creating their presence, such as agriculture industry for farmers to recognize crop diseases, send samples for identification, and many other utility functions. Policies to search missing people, monitoring traffic situations, different defense operations, and providing a logistics to the military personnel, disaster recovery, and sending a support to the remote. So drones will do all these things, which will be taken into the consideration. Now, this is all about that particular company work, where the impact of IoT on our industrial, and presently they are working. Now it's open for discussion. You can discuss now. Students, it's open for discussion now. You can discuss. Right? Quick. Quick. Hey, silent ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. This subject is not suitable for that. Right? It's not a one-way traffic. I'm telling about a real-time example, and I'm telling the real time how that particular company presently it's working on different areas and how impact is there. It doesn't have any doubt. How many are there? Quick. I need a discussion here. Otherwise, I don't go further. These case studies only I will make as an exam papers for you. Are you getting? You don't have any doubt? You don't have any doubt? Listening is open for discussion, I have told. Huh? Any doubts? Come on. Discussions. Okay. Role of IoT and its impact on various industries in India. So this is a view according to Dr. Rishi Bhatnagar, President, Harris Communications India, and the chairperson of the IET IoT panel. So this person, so he has told what will be the impact of IoT on industries, especially in India. Now, previously we have seen the worldwide impact, but now what about India? Means India, in comparative to other countries, somewhat we are in a different way. Still, we are in developing economic crisis. Everything we should follow. How suddenly the industry should be transferred, means to the IoT solutions, and all. Can it be possible in India like this? So that things on that particular thing, he has given this particular note. Our species has evolved 100 times faster in the past 5,000 years than at any other time in human evolution. It's interesting to note that it took Many kind 11,000 years to experience for first revolution, the industrial revolution. So like that, he starts and he gone up to the IoT level, especially when we go inside. See, you can see here the industry, agriculture. So in India, there's a major industry which is needed. So nearly 58% of the total employment in India is through agriculture. This is very much important, which you should know. The employment in India is through agriculture. Farmers are among the most debt-ridden in our country and live on the edge due to heavy dependency on monsoon rains, unpredictable weather leading to the floods and droughts in unexpected seasons, overrise of land leading to a soil corrosions and underutilization of the farming land due to the smaller holdings. IoT can enable agriculture by creating a network of connected informatics, enabling real-time information on weather, alerts on soil condition, when the pH balance changes for a given crop, river bed monitoring for a flood and alerts, and even market demand for selling crops with a better margins. So these things, what I told earlier also, this is very much important in India. It can provision for a consultative services for a crop sowing to insecticide control to improve the quality of yield, and autonomous tractors collaborating with the connected tools could significantly improve the production. So new type of tractors, analyzing a tractors, implementing IoT concepts in a tractor also, it will plays a very much important role, which is better for India. That's a one thing. With accurate information in real time, greater control on uncertainties, and better farm management, personalized microfinancing can be enabled. IoT can thus prevent crop failures to a great extent and improve the financial well-being of farmers. So that I told. This is a must the IT should do, especially in agricultural side. So one day will come, everyone will keep on means follow on this agriculture. Definitely it will come. Uh, so on that day, demand will be there for more of these particular works. So from now itself, if you have an idea to recover the things, means the impact of IoT will be there, how to improve this agriculture. Coming to the next healthcare, what he says, the way IoT is powering connected healthcare, it would not be surprising if physical hospitals will start vanishing by 2025. Very important. Physical hospitals will not at all be replaced with a virtual and remote healthcare systems. So in a coming 2025, then you can see the work, what will be there in this. See, well, definitely I want to tell you one thing. If there is like this, the research is going on in AI, machine learning and IoT, especially, definitely I will tell you, there will be a one machine. If you go and stand under that particular machine, it will scan entire your body and it will tell what is the problem in your body, and so problem is there. So you can consult a doctor, or this is a prescribed medicine you can take. See, that machines will be there in a house in coming years. That is what I'm telling. It's not quite untrue. It will become a true in coming years. The connected healthcare is enabled by a powerful interactions between smart objects and people in areas of health and willingness. See, smart objects. That's a smart object. So if I ask that particular smart object diagnostics, even everything, so if it tell person to machine communication, so if there is an improve in that, definitely that machine will treat me. I can replace the doctor for a small things. Uh, the day will come like that. So automotives things, especially in India, you should think in terms of India. Some 1.25 million people die each year globally as a result of road traffic crashes. According to the WHO's report, despite improvements of a road safety in India, especially, more than a 2 lakh people die in road accidents in 2014-15, according to WHO. IoT can help in a big way to enforce the speed limits, underline the speed limits, prevention of drunk driving. So, well, Shushank has told me that, sorry, in a helmet, why can't we adapt that detection of alcohol? Good. So, one thing, better that in your vehicle, if you have that particular thing, means detector is there. If he has drunk, vehicle will not start. Maybe safety of children and pedestrians on the road, as well as in preventing traffic collisions, road rage, and accidents due to the driver error by enabling the launch of autonomous, so self governing connected vehicles. These connected vehicles will provide a remote monitoring as well as control. Traffic information of a real-time basics should be updating to the vehicles, activity safety systems, and 24 bar 7 connectivity with the vehicles. So this is there already in a smart cities like around us in a countries, but especially in India. See, you can imagine 2 lakh people died in a road accidents. Now it has been increased. If you take a survey of 2018 and 19, like that, it has been increased, especially in India. So why can't you give the solutions? So definitely solutions will come on that. Energy management not only helps in cost savings but also reduces the carbon footprint, a global challenge which is there. So this is how in Sweden they are doing the garbage they are converting to the energy, where they will reduce more than methanol and ethanol gases, as well as carbon footprints will be controlled. So less thermal pollutions will be there if we go with this energy generations. So manufacturing, now in India especially, manufacturers with the implementation of advanced IoT sensors, control and software applications can obtain a real-time information on their equipment. Thereby, IoT enables one to monitor as well as command machines to take autonomous actions and diagnose problems remotely. So these things will be done, especially in a chemical factories. That is very much important. In a chemical factories, one tube capsule will be there. Everyone you know this. There will be a capsules will be there. So if you see, if you open that capsule, you can see the medicine will be there in that. So how to put a medicine in that small capsules, which will be consumed, means enable. So how the things will be there. For example, 1 mg of medicine should be put there. So if it is IoT automated machine, so it will take some medicine of 1 mg, put in a small capsule, no waste will be there, and automatically it will be packed. So that's a major role in chemical factories. And whatever experiment I told now, so in major pharmaceuticals, automations, it will be like that only, which can be done. You can Google it still more, especially role of IoT in pharmaceutical companies. Then conclusion: the good news is that the Indian government is making many steps to incorporate IoT into many industries. According to the recently released Tech Science Research report, India Internet of Things market opportunities and forecast in 2020. You can also take out this and you can read. IoT market in India is projected to grow at a CAGR more than 28% during 2015-20 coming. According to this report, it's a world report. So now this we are at that stage. Growth in the market is anticipated on account of ongoing technology developments in IoT technology for providing a better connectivity and coverage, as well as a real-time monitoring and tracking of services. So for all these things, it will be used. And upcoming, the next things, the smart cities in many different transport, smart grids, everything, IoT will be useful. So this is the impact of IoT in coming years in a real time, especially in India and around the world. So through the net, I got this particular information I'm sharing with you. So any doubts is there on this? Now it's open to discuss. Any doubts is there? Any doubts? ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸೇ ಬರಲ್ವಾ? ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ? Any doubts? Now almost all the some more than half an hour I have given on that particular. You believe or not, I spent some 2 hours to collect that particular information from net. So means filtering, which is relevant, taking out that. Definitely, you should have get some doubts. Okay, I'll share it. You read it, and if you have a doubts on that again, you can ask me. Now we'll back with our lesson. I'll share the PPT. Right. Yeah. So after discussing in a last class, yeah, barriers and concerns. Now we'll go to the case study. Now this case study, almost all this case study question will be there as well as an exam, and it will cover almost all topics which we have discussed presently in this particular unit. So that's a one particular thing. Now, what is this actually? The particular equipment is trust measurement M2M solutions. So first we will go over the M2M solutions, and later on we will push that to the towards the IoT solution, and we will discuss. Now you know this particular gadget will be there where a trust management gadget is there. Usually this type of gadgets will be there to measure how many steps you have walked and how many calories you have burnt, and what will be your heart pulse. So like that. So like same thing, this is the equipment which will catch your trust measurement will be done, and that will be shown to you. So excitement based on that, low movement, more movements will be there. Like this the graph will come and it's a high. So you can see here how this particular device will work. This device is interconnected to your personal laptop and your mobile. So this from this particular device, based on your stress level, so the readings will be there, data readings will be there in this laptop, as well as in this you can store as a server. So again you can take that to your mobile. So this is a one M2M solution which will be there. Here no internet will be used. So directly the gadget is connected to your mobile. So the data will be keep on transferring there to the app. In an app, SQLite small data storage will be there. Usually, it will work like that. Means all your gadgets, what you are going to purchase in a market and all, usually will work in that particular manner. So how it will work? You have to install that particular app, as you know. After installing the app, so you have to, with the gadget whatever is there, that will be connected to that particular app through Bluetooth, usually through the Bluetooth. Then meanwhile, whenever you want, you can take out and you can see the readings of that particular thing. And this is there already in the market. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
Yes.
ಇನ್ ಶವಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. Yeah, tell me what are the company gadgets will be like that? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಗ್ಯಾಜೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನದ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು? ಸೂರ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ? ಪರೇಶ್
ಸರ್
ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಇದು? ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು? ಪ್ರದೀಪ
ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್
ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್?
ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ?
ಪರೇಶ್
ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹೇಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್?
ಸರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಲ್ಸ್ and then according to the data it receives the display sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
Mobile will be connected through the internet. Bluetooth first and then data will be monitored through the internet.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ your data they are taking to somewhere else?
Sir?
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು
ಸರ್? ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಯಾವುದು?
ನಿಮ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ SQLite ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 15 days back, 20 days back.
Storing in the phone it will be waste of your physical memory on your phone ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್.
ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಡೇಟಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ.
Every time you log into your account it syncs with the cloud sir.
ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, your stress management device will be there and it will be connected directly through your mobile through Bluetooth, and in your mobile there will be an app with some database. So automatically it will show you that the total all 1 month your how your trust level will be there, how it's when it is increased and when it has been decreased, in what particular, either which days, either in a weekdays what will be the trust level, in weekends what will be the trust level, and all it will show you. Here no need of internet, and to track yourself when the trust level will be more for me, either in a workplace, either in the home, or either in the weekends or weekdays, that you can track this and you can get an information. So this is a M2M solution. Now coming to the next thing, now if you convert that to an IoT oriented, what Paresh has told, and the things. So IoT oriented trust analysis, how it will be there. So this you can see how beautifully it has been taken into the considerations. So now assume this is a information where we are going to store that particular person's information of, for example, I can say for 1 month or 1 week wise, or 15 days wise, or 1 month wise, we'll keep track of that particular thing, and when the trust level will be more, home environment and the activities. So when the person is there in a home, what is his trust levels? So that will be taken into considerations. Commuting experiences when he is in a traveling, and when weather and environment, that also plays a role of a stress level in a human body. Work environment, this is a measure that work activities, how a trust level of a person will be there, that will be taken. In leisure activities, when you are a leisure weekends, like that, So your trust bracelet will be there as usual, and it will be connected to the mobile. Now this mobile data will be connected into this one, means cloud. And according now what Paresh told, that whatever the data is there, it will be keep on storing here. Assume that the band company will not only have a single customer, a lakhs together customers will be there. So a lakhs together of the customers of that particular band, for them the cloud will be there, and their trust levels, now we'll talk about a trust level informations will be there in that particular cloud. So now how you can track that particular person's trust level in a different environment. Now what expert knowledge will tell on that particular thing. So this is a very important information what we are storing here. Now I will tell you what is the advantage of IoTs. In a previous example, I told you that as a single person, I will come to know my trust level in 1 month of weekdays and weekends, either in a working place, either in a house and all. I am the only person I will get a information. So based on that, I should reduce my trust levels or something like that to keep my body healthy. Now coming to the IoT. Now if my same information is stored in a cloud, assume, so then what is the impact of that? Then how it will be taken into the considerations. Now, see here, based on that particular trust level, the expert knowledge system will be there. What is this expert knowledge system? It will see a person how his trust level is varying either in a house or either in a workplace due to environment or due to traveling of that. So this information will come to this expert knowledge system, and this expert knowledge system can analyze that particular person. So what actually he has to do to reduce his particular trust level. So based on that, a solutions can be given by this particular expert knowledge. Assume one example I will tell you. There will be a more, assume according to a data, there will be a very more trust level for this one particular person XYZ, especially in a work environment. So when it comes to the house also, it's late, some trust level will be there, which has been reduced. Even in traveling, trust level will be there. So what to do? So now, especially in all weekdays, it will be there, and weekends when a leisure, it will be reduced. So to reduce the overall trust due to that, maybe he may be in further continuation with the same trust level. He may be attacked by sugar, BP, and what is his health conditions coming next. This is the same situation for another 1 year. What will be his health conditions? So the expert knowledge will analyze all these particular things, and a intimation will be given to him that due to your trust level is more in a working environment. So because of this particular thing, if same trust level will be continued for another 6 months or 1 year, so you will be affected by so and so. For this, you need a relaxation things. You can do a meditation in a leisure times, means scheduling a times, or you can, in a weekend you can go the out places for relaxing yourself, where you can reduce your trust levels, or you in a house, when you are there, you can listen to a music, where we observed that your trust level has been reduced almost all when you are listening to the music. So that also is tracked here. So then the suggestions will be given based on that particular thing. So this is a damn another one important thing which we should know. And then weather and environments, how this weather and environment in coming next things will affect the trust level on each particular person. So if we go further, this is another one very much important thing. So 1 week chart is there, so which you can see here. So how on a 1 week chart will be there? So throwing a garbage away, renting a trailer, driving to a tip, a lot happening at once, running around like crazy at home, packing bags, checking homework, laundry, dishes, stress, so trustful. So you can see how. Relaxing evening with my family. So that's a one. What level of trust will be there? Either you are really relaxing with your family or not. So that trust level will can also be taken into the consideration. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲೂಬಹುದು. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲೂಬಹುದು. ಆಮ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್? ಏನೋ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಸೂರ್ಯ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್,
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ನೀವೇನಂತೀರ
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್
ಹಂಗೆ
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೋ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್.
Okay. Now back here. So recovery after work out, always relaxed. So that is there. That's a one thing. Workout at the gym, aerobics, nice. So when you are there at that particular position, what is your trust level? Putting my daughter to bed, reading for her, cause it means making relax in your house with your children. So that's the one thing. So coming like this, when it comes the weekends, almost all Saturday and Sundays, throwing garbages, renting a Tyler, whatever pending works is there, cleaning home, this and all, laundry, dishes. So this a trustful level will be there. Maybe for you it's a trustful level. What you need there? Saturday, Sundays, why can't you go out? If this is stressful according to the data, Saturday, Sundays, why can't you go out? So that is a one another one thing. Either you can go out for a restaurants or either resorts like that, you can go out and you can relax yourself. Then who will do these duties? Your wife will ask in later days. Surya, ಇಂಥವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಏನು, ರಜೆ ದಿನ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಂಡ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಡಿಶಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಕಿಟಕಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಸೂರ್ಯ?
ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳ್ದ,
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ
ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳ್ದ ಅಂತ.
ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳ್ದ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪರೇಶ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಪರೇಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹೌದು. ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಳಿಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳಿಲೇಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಳೆಯೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರು. ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಓಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಯನಾ, ನಯನಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ನಯನಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್,
ಸರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೂನು.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೋರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, as a business, IoT business, how you can earn the money based on trust level data of different peoples. Based on that, how you can do the business. I will ask you in a next coming class. So definitely you have to tell anybody. You have to think. ಈಗ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್, ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ವಿತ್ ದಟ್, ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, then how you are going to earn money with getting that data, and how will you do your business? So that you have to tell me. So that's a one important thing. Now coming to next chapter assignment, note down. Are you listening, everyone? Screenshot ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, photo ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಗ. You take a photo of this.
Okay sir, ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, something like that. So this you have to submit 25th 9/2020, right? So the quiz is there. I will do it later. I have taken some questions and I did it already. Don't worry about that. But assignment you have to submit within 25th 9/2020. and this ends the first unit of yours. And later on
Sir,
we'll go.
handwritten, sir?
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಟನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್
Okay,
ರಿಟನ್ನೇ
sir.
ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು PDF ಇದು ಅಡೋಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್
Okay, sir.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಅಡೋಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಬೇಡ, ಚೈನಾ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅಡೋಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, so Adobe Scan is good enough. Any doubts is there in today class? You can ask me. Any doubts is there? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So now I will open that questions Google forum. You have to answer. Just 4 questions is there, so you have to answer that. Meanwhile, I will take a attendance. So just 1 minute. Yeah, I have sent the link. So now you can open and you can answer it. Don't take time in yesterday only 32 members are answered. Only 32 members will get the attendance, right? So almost all only 32. I will leave some time to you now. So you have to complete that. That's a proof for me. Aditya, answer your attendance. Aditya?
Sir.
Ajay? Ajay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amit?
Yes, sir.
Antima?
Present, sir.
Apurva?
Yes, sir.
Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
Bindu?
Yes, sir.
Divyesh?
Yes, sir.
ಗೌರೇಶ್ ಏನ್ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ ಇವನ್ನ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇವನ್ಗೆ? ಗೌತಮಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗೌತಮಿನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾಳೆ, ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ. ಗೌತಮಿ, ಗುಣಶೇಖರ್
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕೋ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ನೆನೆ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೆನೆ 2 ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಹರಿಣಿ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹರಿಣಿ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಹರಿಣಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ?
Present,
ನಯನ?
sir.
ಹೀಗಿದ್ಲಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಯನ?
Present, sir. Present, sir. Network
ನಜ್ಮಾ?
issue. Present,
ನಿಧಿ?
sir.
ನಿಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರದೀಪ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅವನು. ಪ್ರದೀಪ್?
ಸರ್ ಅವನು
ಹ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ.
ಬಿಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರೀತಿ,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ರಾಜೇಶ್, ರಾಜೇಶ್,
Present.
ಓಕೆ. ಸಹದೇವ್,
Present, sir.
साकेत, साकेत, अरे साकेत 2 ही क्लास अटेंड किया है. साकेत, संतोष, 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 ಅರಣಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು?
Yes
ಅರಣಿ,
sir, because of network problem. Yes sir.
ಸರಿ ಏಸ್ತಾನ್ಲೆ.
Hello.
ಸಂತೋಷ್,
Okay.
ಸಂತೋಷ್, ಇವನ್ಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಸಂತೋಷ್ಗೆ? ಸೀಮಾ,
Yes sir.
ಸಿಂಚನ,
Present sir.
ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ,
Yes sir.
ಶಶಾಂಕ್,
Present, sir.
ವರ್ಷಾ,
Yes sir.
ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ,
Present sir.
ಅಮೃತ,
Present sir.
ಅನುಷಾ,
Hello.
Present sir.
ಅನುಷಾ,
Present sir.
ಅನುಷಾ, ಪ್ರದೀಪ ಇಡ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ, ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು? ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದು?
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ ಹಾ,
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಅನುಷಾ,
Present sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡು, ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಪೂರ್ವ,
Present sir.
ಸಾಯಿ, ಸಾಯಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್, ಇವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಚೇತನ, ಚೇತನ,
Present sir. Present sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಕಾವ್ಯ,
Present sir.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾವ್ಯ?
No sir. ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Sir,
4th ಅವರ್
second
ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ,
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ,
Present sir.
ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಮನೇಶ್,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ಫರಾಜ್,
Present sir.
ಮುರುಗೇಶ,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುರುಗೇಶ? ಮಾಲೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಮಾಲೂರ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ.
ಮಾಲೂರ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದು sir,
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಪ್ಪ. ಮಣಿ, 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 ಇವನ್ಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ? ಏನೋ ಮುರುಗೇಶ?
ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹಾ
ಪರೇಶ್,
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
Present sir.
ಪೂಜಾ,
Present sir.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ,
Present sir.
ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ,
Present sir.
ಪ್ರತೀಕ್, ಇವನ್ಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ? ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಗೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. 2 ಇದೆ. ಸಾಧನಾ, ಸಾಧನಾದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಏನಂದ್ಲು ಸಾಧನಾ? ಕಾವ್ಯ,
ಸರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಹಾ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸರ್,
ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ನೀನು ಸಾಧನಾ ಜೊತೆ?
ಹೆಂಗೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ. ಶಶಾಂಕ್,
Present sir.
ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ,
sir. Present, sir.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಶ್ರೀಧರ್,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್.
ತನೋಜ್,
Present, sir.
ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ,
Present, sir.
ಹನಿ, ಹನಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಇವರು?
Present, sir.
ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ.
Sir, present, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಆಶೇಶ್, ಆಶೇಶ್, ಆಶೇಶ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ವಿದ್ಯಾ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರಾಣಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರಾಣಿ, ಮೂರ್ ಸಲ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೀನು?
Present, sir.
ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದ? ವಿದ್ಯಾ, ಹಲೋ. ವಿಶಾಲ್,
Idde, sir.
ಸರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. ವಿಶಾಲ್,
Hello.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
Idde, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ, ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿ.
Sir,
ನಾನು
idde,
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
sir, class ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಕಾಲ್ ಗಂಟೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್.
ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನಾವು, ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.